Microsoft Excel, working with sine, cosine, and radians. All right, when we work with our calculators using the trig functions of sine and cosine, we make sure that our calculators are set for degrees. Excel does not operate on degrees, it operates in radians. So we need to convert our degrees into radians. Pretty simple formula. I'm going to come over here, hit equals to get started with the formula of radians, double click on radians, and then I click on the degrees, close, and it changes my degrees from radians. You can look up on the internet and find out what the definition of radians are. I'm going to pull and drag that out so that it now says what are my radians of C9. So there we go. We've got our degrees turned to radians. If I come down here and I do the equation of sine, I click in sine, double click here and say take the 45 degrees, close, and I go right there with degrees into sine. You can see it doesn't match what's correct. You can try it on your calculator for those numbers. It's not correct. I come in here, I hit equals, sine, double click, and click on radians, close that, and now my answer is correct. So I always want to use radians. So let's do that one more time. Equals sine of, of 15. I click on 15. I don't want to click on 15, right? I want to go to C10. Not 11, 10. There we go. Close that. And we've got another match. Now I do cosine. I go equals cosine. Double click. I click on my radians. Close. And we've got another match. Do it one more time. Equals cosine. Double click. And click on my radians. Close. There we go. You can check this on your calculators and see how it works. So that is working with radians, sine, and cosine. We've got to change everything to radians instead of degrees. Otherwise, our math will not work.